In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix DeepSeek AI not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is reload the page, refresh the page, then sign out and sign in back. This will refresh your login session and this might resolve the issue. If not, you can follow other steps. Navigate to this website status.deepseek.com. DeepSeek servers may be experiencing maintenance outages or unusual high traffic, causing users to get stuck on the loading screen. In that case, the best solution is to wait a few minutes and try again later. If there are no issues, you can follow other steps. You'll need to clear cache and cookies for the DeepSeek. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Head over to the option privacy and security. Click on site settings. Go to the option view permission and data stored. Now, search for DeepSeek. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is, if you are connected to any VPN, proxies, ad blockers, browser extensions, you will need to disable it for some time, as these can interfere with the connection. Following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.